Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna work on my BMW 335i. We're gonna be doing the intercooler and charge pipe install. I've got the parts from VRSF and I will walk you through how to do both, how to install both on the car, but I will try my best to show you the whole process. Enjoy the video. So we got the car into the garage and we're gonna start working on it. This is the intercooler and the charge pipe, and this is my friend and his brother. Guys. Free labor, yeah.
Free labor.
Yeah. So we're gonna start stripping everything here, from here to there, and the front bumper we're gonna take it off to do the intercooler. So first of all, to disassemble the front bumper, we have to take off some bolts here. I think they're 8mm, and hopefully they're not rusted out. So you see what I've got here? WD-40, yes. There's also bolts in the bottom, which are also, so as you can see, there's bolts in the bottom here. They're also 8mm. We're gonna have to do all of that, and as you can see, this is the undercover. We're gonna have to remove it as well. I'm just doing all of this to get access to the intercooler, just much easier. So we're gonna take off all of these bolts. I believe some of them are 8mm, and some of them are 10. But I don't have all of them, so we're just gonna remove them one by one, you know. Come closer, come. We start off. So as you can see, I'm struggling because I am a beginner.
Yes, he's a professional guy. Do not believe him.
Yes.
He act.
So we took this. We're gonna take all of this and the other side as well.
So
don't step on it.
All
please.
this need to come off.
There's a wee bolt here. It's 8mm, as you can see, and it's already loose because it's a BMW. Expect anything. Expect the unexpected. I think that's the only bolt that I have in here. You know, I lost all of them, and it's 10mm, and it's loose as well. So yeah. And this can come off. And as I said, there's no bolt here because I don't have it. And we're gonna take off them sensors, if they can come off. Alright, just feed it there, put it somewhere. And the other side as well. For the other side, it's the same process. You just do that. Now, for the next step, you have to remove this. This does not have any bolts, so you just unclip it. But don't break it because it's very fragile. I think I broke it.
Happy days, my son.
Yes. And as you can see, come closer. If you spill something out from here, look. You just pull it. This plastic thing goes inside of here, and it comes out, and that's it. This has came out. So, to give myself access, I will be removing this plastic. So today we're gonna remove all of these, all of that. This is the charge pipe I'm gonna be replacing, and this is the pipes as well. And there's pipes as well going to the intercooler, and they're all crappy. This is also for the sensor. This is all metal, you know, and this is all the couplers and so on. It has everything.
So we're just removing this because we don't actually need it. This is going to the bin because they're all gonna get changed for a metal one. But I think it's a good idea to remove this first.
More.
Okay.
Yes.
This has came off now. So you have to take this off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove this. Hopefully it's a T20. It's a very tight space. You have to take your time. We're gonna do the charge pipe first. What I'm gonna do is take this plug off because it just became way easier now.
And as you can see, we were taking off the sensor off of the charge pipe. It was very tight in there, so you just have to pull it very hard and it will not break, trust me. I don't have a clip of me doing that, but just pull it hard and it will come out. And you can put it in the new charge pipe. And here we're just taking off the front bumper pulls. This is the left side. It's the same process for the other side. Just have to remove all of these bolts.
We're just removing the underhood shield, which is, as you can see, some of them are like partly rusted, but I'm just trying my best. So, it's gonna give us a lot more room if we remove.
And guys, as you can see here, we're just trying to remove the fan. You have to take a lot of time when removing the fan, because there's a lot of pipe that can catch on the fan and the clips on it. So you just have to pull it slowly. I will show you in this video.
So, I removed this bolt. I believe it's at a T25, you know. Now that you remove this bolt, basically what you are gonna do is slide up the fan, and someone has to go from the bottom to push it up.
And when I was moving the fan, one of the coolant pipe just decided to break off. Coolant leaked all over the car, and I had to get the new pipe. And it's Easter, so everywhere is closed. So we just called it a day, and then we stopped working until tomorrow to hopefully do something to fix it. So here comes a new day, and we couldn't find anywhere that is open, so we decided to continue on the charge pipe, and this is the couplers that comes with it. So we put it on the charge pipe and tightened all the clamps.
For the TMAP sensor, they give you new bolts. You see, they're manufactured to fit this charge pipe, so don't use the original ones. So this is the new screws. They just fit in here. So just tighten it. I don't believe you really need to tighten it that much. You know, I'm just doing hand. And then I'm gonna go over with a screwdriver. So just snug enough. And that's it. And also, when I bought this charge pipe, it doesn't come with the oil ring inside it. This is a new one that I bought from VRSF, alongside all the other parts. You can use the old one if it's alright, but that one should be all good. It's all new. So I just fitted all of these, as you know, and this is the factory clip. And before you fit that in here, it's a lot easier if you just put it, and then whenever you have it
I'll
in place.
just just to not put some grease on so this one can go in.
Yeah, we put oil.
We didn't have any grease. As you can see, it's very easy job. 10 minutes.
Yes. Very, very easy.
It'll just take you 10 minutes.
Or like 10 hours. We were struggling a lot to get this in, to be honest. But what you do, see this factory clip, put it like that, you know, don't do it like the factory. Just leave it like that, and then you push it, just wiggle it, and then push it. And that should be alright.
So as you can see in the video, I'm trying to put the factory diverter valves into the charge pipe, but what it seems like it doesn't fit. I'm not sure if it's a mistake from VRSF or that's how it works. See the silicone couplers that comes onto the charge pipe ports and into the diverter valves. You have to put them in the middle so you don't fit them in the charge pipe all the way, and the same goes for the diverter valves. So you just fit it in the middle and you tighten the clamps and they should fit alright.
You can see we are just painting the intercooler in the VRSF word.
And now the charge pipe is fitted, so we're gonna move on to the intercooler.
And this is the legend. He came and he took off his BMW pipe to give me this pipe that can fit. He came all the way from Newton Abbey, that's like 40 miles. The VRSF intercooler is now here. Don't mind that it's upside down, you know. It's meant to say in Japanese words, it's not VRSF, you know, as you can see. So it's all fitted now. What I have done, so if you put the silicone pipes on the intercooler first, I find it a lot more easier, you know, and then you fit it slowly with the jack stand and so on, you know, and it can fit. So it's like, as you can see, it's nearly at the subframe level, so it shouldn't affect anything, you know, and I didn't need to do any cutting, you know, it fit alright. There is enough room in here, you see, there is all this room, so you don't need to take this off or cut it. Even this is the temperature sensor, it's all good. Hopefully now we will start bolting up everything, the front bumper, the underhood shield, put in the air filters back, you know, they fit here, the Masata. I'm only curious about if this is gonna work, because this is not a long piece, it should be up to here so we can tighten it correctly. Hopefully it's gonna work. We will see what happens and update you. We just finished the car. We're just making sure everything is alright, and he's gonna start the car now.
And now that we have started the car, everything is finished for this video. Unfortunately, I don't have video of me installing the intercooler, but it shouldn't be that hard. And this is how it should fit from the charge pipe into the intercooler. And on the other side, there was gonna be a pipe that I'm not gonna show here in the video, that you're gonna have to use a cutter to cut it off and take it off like the factory one, to use the silicone one that the VRSF provides. And yep, thank you for watching the video.